sometimes being a man is hard, where there's this high expectation for us to always be strong. And some of that, there are elements of truth. That part of manhood is our ability to keep showing up, to endure time and time and time again, to bring life and goodness, blessing into the lives of others. But that endurance is not say that we have to be always on and never be refreshed ourselves. That we need times, we need our refractory periods, as it were. We need times to be refreshed, to be replenished, to fill back up our tank so that we can pour back into the lives of others. My dad used to have the saying that you can't pour water out of an empty cup. That in as much as we are to be a refreshment to others, that we need times to fill up ourselves. And we can see this in the life of Christ, that he regularly withdrew from the crowds in order to spend time with his Father. That there's times where, yes, he went without eating, presumably without a lot of sleep as well. So there's times in which those very physical, demanding sacrifices were made in order to be present with others. But when we have that opportunity, when we have that chance to fight for those moments in which we can just be in God's presence, where we can find moments of beauty and refreshment so that we can be filled up again, so that our tank is filled up again, our cup is filled up again, so that we can then continue pouring into the lives of others. And so there's these dual images of, yes, there's a sense in which we can't neglect our responsibility to our family, to our communities, to be strong. And so there's not a day off, as it were, from being a man, that we're always required to offer our strength to bless others. But while we're doing that, that's not to neglect our own soul care, our time to fill up. Somehow we have to do both, that we're always on, as it were, in blessing others, and we're regularly finding that time to take a break, to be filled up, to be replenished, so that we can continue pouring into the lives of others. Somehow we must do both.